Let's draw a mischievous sailor boy. First, draw his head and ears. Excellent! Now draw the boy's smile. Add a stylish hairdo. Beautiful! Now finish drawing his hair. Good! Draw a sailor's cap on the boy. And a round pom-pom on top. Deep. Cool! Draw the boy's shirt. And give the shirt a collar. Now draw a handsome tie. Beautiful! Draw sleeves on the shirt. First, the right sleeve. And the right hand. And now the left sleeve. And the left hand. Hooray! Just a little bit left. And put on his boots. First the right. And then the left. Wow! What a handsome sailor boy you've drawn! What? Ah! Yoo-hoo!